so cool. He's so cooperative. So it's a Monday morning. This place is called Stevens Creek. It's a nature preserve. Just looking to get some good birds species photographed today. See a bunch over there. This is really sick. Okay. Could be a red belly. I'm not sure. There's a tiny little downy, I think, too. Or no, it's... Everywhere you look, there's something going on. There's like some tiny little warblers or something up here. It's tough to see them. They jump around so much. Wow, look at the fog. That's so cool. Maybe I'll take a video of this. I want to see a flicker. I just need to stand right here and wait. It's a tufted titmouse, I think. Is that a deer? It's a baby deer. That was a young buck. It might even... Look at that. Look at his antlers. Dude. That was amazing. Wow. Wow. That's so good. See the steam coming off of him? That was all I could ask for. Man, is it tough to get the shot. I feel like I could have possibly gone down here and taken one. Could have been sick. Yeah. I might have to try that next time.
Good morning.
Good morning. I feel like that deer photo made the excursion worth it. Everything else is just extra. That was so cool. I mapped the Face ID subject type to this button on the side. So I was in bird, and so I went to animal, and I think it was able to focus in on the deer a little bit better. So I'm hyped on that. I just made that change. Chickadees are so fast. They're all up there. It's just... That place is so challenging. These birds, they're so high up. I'm gonna end up with the crick in my neck. That was the northern flicker. Heck yeah. Not too sure what that is. It looks like a brown nuthatch. Then again, I'm not sure. Let's check the Merlin.
Hi.
Hey. Hello.
Didn't want to scare you.
It's all good. Thank you.
You taking photos of birds?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
There's a bunch of like cardinals up there just
Nice.
feeding. I saw a deer earlier.
Oh, yeah. There's a lot of deer back there. Yeah. This is a great place to do wildlife.
I never get out here this early this morning, like in the morning, and it's paid off.
Oh, yeah. How early did you come?
I was here at like, what time is it now?
It's about 10.
Like 8-ish, 8:30
Okay.
so.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I've come here I've come here as early as 7:30-ish, and like,
So the gate is open that early?
I don't know. I'm not sure. Like, I know like the daylight starts later, so I don't know exactly when they open.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, like if you come, like if you're one of the first people, you'll see a ton of deer.
Mm-hmm.
Like, yeah, and just like the birds and just there's so much here.
Yeah, I just got this lens so I can actually see stuff now with like the reach. So
Nice.
I'm excited.
Well, enjoy your time.
Thank you so much.
It's very relaxing.
I love it. Yeah.
Yeah, like I used to be like, why do people enjoy watching birds? But now I get it.
Alright. Let's do a little hike ski. I hate those hornets' nests. Golly, they're scary. They're far away. We will try. Man, they're tough to see. Okay, I'm moving on. They're so far away. I'm getting really tired. Spend all day out here, and I might just do that. Yesterday was a very windy day, so I think all the birds kind of hunkered down and just waited for a day like today.
Kinds of trees grow here. You can use clues to identify different species of trees, like bark texture and leaf shape. Trees with leaves that fall off in the winter are known as deciduous trees, and ones that are green year-round are evergreens.
It's really good info. At ease, Eagle. jumpy. Jumpy as hell. Come on, focus. Okay, so I'm just posted up on this bench right now. I'm like 2.8-ish miles into this photo walk. It's been really good. It started off pretty epic. I saw a male deer with the like rack of antlers, and just a younger doe, and it was crazy. What's up, man?
How are you?
Good. How you doing?
Good.
Puppy.
You doing some bird photography?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, it's really fun. Okie dokie. Just met another photographer, but it's cool being out here and getting out of my comfort zone. It's so easy to be anxious about every little interaction, even on a trail, but it doesn't matter at all. Like, I guess I've learned that from just being in jobs where your clients are coming in and out, and humans are just funny. It doesn't matter. So you can pretty much say whatever and let the awkwardness be awkward and just move on. But yeah, I've pretty much checked off all the boxes for this photo walk. Now, kind of just enjoying my morning until I get too hungry and I need to head back. I had a protein bar this morning and a little bit of coffee. I could definitely use the rest of that coffee that's in my car. See that spider. Golly, that's a chunky spider. Whoa. Imagine that thing falls on you. What the hell? Alright, what am I doing? I'm getting delirious. I'm talking to too many people. I think I might be an extrovert. That was the first time I got the autofocus to track a bird's eye with the woodpecker over there. I think those will be pretty sharp. Okay, we're back in the car. Let me show you my Strava. That was a 4-hour photo walk, 6 miles, an average speed of 1.5 miles an hour. I was moseying along. Let's see, this was solid photo walk. Saw a deer. Saw 2 deer. Okay, cool. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the footage, like always, but today was a good photo session. We got the 2 deers. We got those cardinals that were really clean. A couple woodpeckers. I think I photographed a flicker, northern flicker. I talked to a lot of people out here today. Everyone's super nice. Well, that was 10,000 steps, so that was solid. Yeah, I guess I'll get to editing when I get home, but right now I need to get some food in me. Peace out.